Hi everyone, Adam here from Brisbane. Just a quick check-in. I'm really excited for this, hey. I didn't get to go to the other assemblies. I'm still a newish member to the association myself, despite being around the Marist world for a long time. I'm excited to network with everyone and connect in with everyone, put some faces to names and some names to faces to connect in, and I'm really excited to dream with everyone about what our future together as a Marist family looks like. Super stoked to be able to be part of the assembly this year and to be able to journey alongside everyone. Can't wait to see everyone on the 7th of June for our first assembly forum. Hope to see you online.